In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a vanilla gift card on Shein. Whether you're buying the latest fashion trends or stocking up on basics, using a gift card is a great way to manage your spending while shopping online. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to help you seamlessly apply your vanilla gift card to your Shein purchases. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Shein website. Simply open your web browser and type in shein.com. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to browse around and familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Shein offers a wide variety of apparel and accessories, so you'll likely find plenty to add to your cart. Now, once you've found the items you wish to purchase, aim your cursor towards the top right corner of the page and click on the cart icon. This action will take you to a page that shows all the items you've selected. It's similar to having a virtual shopping bag where you can review your choices before proceeding with the purchase. Satisfied with your choices? Great. The next step is to begin the checkout process. You'll see a button labeled Checkout Now. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to the checkout page where you can review your order one last time, make any necessary adjustments, and ensure you're ready to complete your purchase. On the right side of the checkout page, you'll notice a section dedicated to payment options, including a spot for entering gift card details. This is where you'll want to focus your attention. Look for the option that mentions gift cards. This is where your vanilla gift card information will come into play. Once you've found it, retrieve your vanilla gift card and locate the card number. Carefully type the number into the designated field on the Shein website. It's important to double check that you've entered the correct digits to avoid any errors during the transaction process. After entering your gift card number, the final step is to hit the Apply button. This action will attempt to process the gift card and apply its value towards your total purchase. You should see a confirmation that the gift card amount has been deducted from your order total, making your purchase more budget-friendly. And there you have it. You've successfully used your vanilla gift card on Shein. Shopping online has never been simpler, and with these steps, you can enjoy using your gift cards to effortlessly manage your shopping experience. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your online shopping. Happy shopping!